Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete your Instagram account. Alright, now remember, are you sure you want to delete your Instagram account? Because by following this step your account will be deleted. Once you delete it, you can't recover your account again, so you need to keep that in mind. Alright, and it's going to be a 15 to 30 day process, so you need to be a bit patient. You can't just click on a button and your account will be deleted instantly. Alright, you gotta have to wait for some time. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can delete your Instagram account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you click on the profile picture at the bottom of your screen. It's going to bring you to your profile. Once you're over here, click on the three line at the top and go on setting. Once you're in setting versus search at the top, click on it and write delete. Once you write delete, it's going to say delete account. Click on delete account. Once you're over here, it's going to take you to this page. Now at the bottom, you can see delete account button. Click on it and click on continue deleting your account, and it's going to take you to an Instagram page where you guys can delete your account. And over here you want to choose a reason why you want to delete your account. Now you can choose whichever reason you want, so I'm going to choose a random one over here. And where's this password? You need to enter the password of your account. So after enter the password of your account, at the bottom you can see delete, which is 677. It's going to show delete and your Instagram's username. After entering your password, click on it, and at the top it says if you want to continue your profile and account deletion, it will be deleted on July 25, 2022. So today's current date is June 25, which means I need to wait for at least a month, and within that month it's going to take a month's time and it's going to be deleted. But if I want to, not delete my account, let's say I changed my mind and I don't want to delete my Instagram account again, I have up to July 25, 2022 in order to reactivate my account. How I can do that is just log in into your account. Once you log in into your account within July 25, it's gonna be reactivated again, which means your deletion process will be cancelled. But if you don't log in into your account within this 30 days period until July 25 or 1 month period, then your Instagram will be deleted. Alright, so if you're sure you want to delete your Instagram account, enter the password, click on delete, which is 677, and basically wait for 30 days. Don't log in into your account for 1 month and it'll be deleted. But I don't want to delete it right now, so I'm just gonna go back. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can delete your Instagram account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.